All right, it's time to go to work. I'm gonna try going through the forks today. Well, it is very cold out. I'm pushing quite a strong headwind. Hope I can make it. Well, I've made it down to the river. Just a little ways to go yet before making it to the forks. The trail has suddenly gotten a bit better plowed right here after going through all the bumps and trees of the river trail. So I'm gonna try to kick it. Is it really?
Yeah, you know what? I don't know. The snowblower just is going through.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm hoping he scrapes it way down because this does not look for bikes.
It's not scraped enough.
No.
I met another cyclist who told me this section is not well plowed, and I agree. They need to take the snow down just another inch or two, and then it might be usable for cyclists, but they're leaving, like, they're partly packing it down and leaving about 2 inches of soft snow on top of the hard snow. And that really makes it difficult. Extra level of concentration and patience required for that. So I've spent a lot of time getting off my bike and walking and trying to push through. Now I've come to a trail that isn't plowed at all, but that's okay. I'm almost at the forks. So, almost there, and then we'll see how it is from the forks onward. And here we are at the forks. Well, I made it downtown and the GoPro keeps wanting to switch off, so I guess it's time to stop videoing for today.